Mary Kay is here with a real-time update on the timing of those storms. Mary Kay.
And I'm out here in DuPage County, so I'm expecting some rain closer to midnight. And if we put a time frame on this, it looks like we're going to break it into 2 rounds of thunderstorms. The first one coming at daybreak. That one is going to be delivering some very heavy rain. Localized flood threat is certainly with us. Now, the midday break, that's the question mark, because if the rain and the cloud cover linger through the midday and we keep showers in, that actually would be a good thing, because that would help keep the air a little more stable for the storms later on. But if we clear out from the morning activity and we get a little sunshine and get the warm air going, then it could be quite active in the evening hours. Right now, the Storm Prediction Center is looking at the chances for severe weather to really ramp up in those late day hours, really all the way from Kansas City to Chicago to Metro Detroit. And it looks like locally we are favoring areas along and south of I-80 to really get on this activity into the evening hours tomorrow night. So what we're expecting, the tornado threat is not zero, but we do have a chance that some of these could show some rotation. I think that the damaging wind threat is high, and also the flood threat is definitely high, just because we've had rivers rising and they're at high levels. Also, the soil content, the moisture of it is very high, so the ground is already saturated as this heavy rain will move in. Now, southerly winds have really pushed the temperatures up to 70 in Gary, 60s elsewhere, but a cooling off the lake in Waukegan up through Kenosha. We're seeing temperatures in the 50s right now. So over parts of Iowa, that's where we have scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. Those may be inching closer to us, but probably after midnight is when the bulk of that activity gets closer and really closes in on us for daybreak. When we look at the satellite radar tracker, look at 7 a.m. That's round 1, bringing us that very heavy rain, and then that lingers through the noon hour. And tomorrow we're going to move the temperatures into the 70s, probably even at the lakefront. But then when we look at the second round of rain, there's noon. So in the afternoon, maybe a break from the activity, but in the evening, the sun goes down, and notice how areas south of I-80 really favored, sort of agreeing with our own computer model there to keep the weather active to the south. It's all out of here by the time Friday moves around, but wow, our precipitation tracker showing 1 to 3.5 inches of rain with this whole system between the time of midnight tonight and Friday morning. So I think Friday is going to be a great day. We'll be left with an early shower. Then we start to clear out in the afternoon. A second system moving our way for Saturday night into Sunday, giving us a chance for some thunderstorms. So if you're trying to get a quick walk this evening, you've got no problems. It's really after midnight, but closer to daybreak. You may wake up with that thunder and lightning around. Erica, Brad?